Hi everyone, my name is Megan Woodcox and I am an independent distributor with GelMoment. Today I will be teaching you how to do the stained glass effect on your fingernail. I will be applying it on one of our nail sticks. I have already painted Lily of the Nile as the base coat. So I have done Lily of the Nile, 2 coats of that. Next up, I will be using our Creativity brush, this thinnest, longest brush that we have, and I will be applying Raven's Kiss to the nail to create the lines for the stained glass. I just grab a thin amount and I will just put lines wherever I feel is necessary. It doesn't matter if your lines are perfect, a little off center, because you will go back over them later in this video. It's going to be just like that. So then I will cure it. Okay, once that's all done, I'm going to take a small little painting brush and I'm going to apply the colors into the spots that I have open. The colors that I will be using are I Pink You, Love in a Mist, Lovee Dovee, and I will be applying Lily of the Nile also. So what I just do is I just pick the colors that I want. So I'm going to start with I Pink You, and I will fill in the boxes that I want. Next I'll use Love in the Mist. I'm applying thin coats because I will do 2 coats of the colors. Okay, then I have my colors applied, and I will cure it. Okay, then I'm going to do a second coat for everything. I'm going to go back to my long striping brush. Start with I Pink You again. back to Love in the Mist. And then we'll cure that again. I'm going to take our matter effect. And I'm going to apply it over the whole nail stick. Then we will cure it. Now it's got the matte look to it. So I will take my thin brush again, clean it off, and I will reapply the Raven's Kiss, the black lines, to make these colors pop out more. like that. Then we will cure it. And there you have it, the stained glass look. Once again, my name is Megan Woodcox, and I'm an independent distributor with GelMoment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment at the on the comments. Thank you.